Hobbing is a manufacturing process that involves the cutting of gears, splines, and sprockets using a specialized machine tool called a hobbing machine. The process involves the use of a rotating cutting tool called a hob, which is fed into the workpiece to create the desired shape. Hobbing is a highly precise and efficient method of producing gears and other components with complex shapes and tight tolerances. The hobbing process is widely used in the manufacturing industry, particularly in the production of gears for various applications such as automotive, aerospace, and industrial machinery. The process is highly versatile and can be used to produce gears of different sizes, shapes, and materials. Hobbing machines can also be programmed to produce gears with specific tooth profiles, such as involute, cycloidal, and trochoidal. One of the key advantages of hobbing is its ability to produce gears with high accuracy and repeatability. The process is also highly efficient, with hobbing machines capable of producing hundreds of gears per hour. Additionally, hobbing is a cost-effective method of producing gears, as it requires minimal tooling and setup time. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom gears and other precision components. The company has extensive experience in the hobbing process and uses state-of-the-art hobbing machines to produce gears of the highest quality. Berkness Company's team of skilled machinists and engineers are experts in the hobbing process and can work with customers to design and produce gears that meet their specific requirements. If you are interested in learning more about hobbing and how it can benefit your manufacturing operations, we encourage you to contact Berkness Company. The company's website features a Contact Us page where you can submit your inquiry and receive a prompt response from one of their knowledgeable representatives. With their expertise in hobbing and other precision machining processes, Berkness Company can help you achieve your manufacturing goals and produce high-quality components that meet your exact specifications. FAQs. 1. What is hobbing in manufacturing? Hobbing is a machining process used in manufacturing to cut gears, splines, and sprockets. It involves using a hobbing machine to cut teeth into a workpiece by rotating it against a cutting tool called a hob. The hob has a series of teeth that progressively cut into the workpiece to create the desired shape. 2. What are the advantages of hobbing? Hobbing offers several advantages in manufacturing. It is a highly accurate and efficient process that can produce complex shapes with tight tolerances. It is also a versatile process that can be used to cut a wide range of materials, including metals, plastics, and composites. Additionally, hobbing can be used to produce large quantities of parts quickly and cost-effectively. 3. What are the different types of hobbing machines? There are several types of hobbing machines used in manufacturing, including vertical hobbing machines, horizontal hobbing machines, and worm hobbing machines. Vertical hobbing machines are used for cutting gears and splines, while horizontal hobbing machines are used for cutting larger gears and shafts. Worm hobbing machines are used for cutting worm gears, which have a unique helical shape. Each type of hobbing machine has its own advantages and is used for specific applications in manufacturing. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.